It's every plate time again. I made this one last night. I forgot to film it, so that's what it ended up looking like. That's the leftovers. I got 3 servings out of it. It says 2, but I got 3 because I don't eat that much. Tonight, we're making sweet and tangy cherry meatballs. So I have potatoes, which I have peeled already, kind of. Oh, and in a couple nights I'll make this one. 1 pan sweet chili turkey lettuce wraps with lime, cilantro, and peanuts. So we'll do that in a couple nights, but we're making this one tonight. So we have the green beans. We have soy sauce, which I'm going to use gluten-free, so I'm not going to use that. Oh, it says gluten-free. How about that? Huh. Cherry jam. We add ketchup to these 2 and make a glazed hamburger. Oh, they gave me a piece of bread, but I'm going to use my own gluten-free bread. And then this is garlic powder to go in the meatballs. And this sour cream will go in the potatoes. So first I cut up the potatoes. I've got water boiling for that. And then we'll put the meatballs together. And you cook them in the pan. Brush them with some of that cherry glaze. After you cook them a little bit, you add the green beans. And then somewhere in there you make your mashed potatoes. So we'll do all that. You know, cut the potatoes up into small little cubes. They cook faster. Meatballs and the potatoes are boiling. I got this itty bitty baby brush from Temu. It'll be perfect for brushing on some of this cherry glaze. You brush on like about half of it, and then you save the other half for, I don't know, dipping or something. I don't know. It just says save half of it, so I don't know what you do with the other half. And then the other half of the pan, the empty half, is going to have the green beans on it in a little bit. You cook these for 5 minutes, and then you add the green beans. You toss in some oil. See how shiny they are? A little bit of oil and salt and pepper. And we're going to throw them on the pan with the meatballs in it. So we're ready to go back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes till they're done. You know, I peeled the potatoes in the sink. You don't want to throw them down the disposal because they cling to the sides of your pipes and can block your pipes. So always throw your potato peels in the garbage. Every time I get on Temu, I need to get a potato masher. This is kind of chunky mashed potatoes because I don't have anything good to mash them with. I'll give you the recipe. This is probably illegal, but here's what when it comes out of the oven. Hopefully it's yummy. I'll put some on a plate and film that for you too. Supposed to make 2 servings, but I don't eat a lot, so I'm turning it into 3 servings. That's why there's not a huge amount on the plate.